Welcome to the Art Lady channel. Today I have two mangoes to taste test, and one is the classic Carrie mango, which is a very popular mango, and another one is the Honey Kiss, which is a popular one as well. This Carrie mango is a grandchild of a Julie mango, which means its parent tree was related to a Julie, which is a very famous mango. This is supposedly having a very strong flavor, a little bit of a spicy component. So we're going to taste test that one. And then the Honey Kiss, a ket seedling. And the plant is typically a slow grower. This is supposed to have a classic sweet taste to it. And this is one of our late season mangoes, July, August. And the Carrie is a mid-season. This one's mid to late season, and the Carrie's a mid-season mango. So this Carrie's probably on its way out, where the Honey Kiss is just starting, because it's not quite, well, it's ripe, but it's not. Carrie looks a little bit overripe to me. So we're going to go ahead and try these two out and see what they taste like. So our Carrie is supposed to have little spicy components, so let's try it. Let's go ahead. And a Carrie mango is monoembryonic, meaning it's not going to be true to the parent tree if it grows. So if we grow the seedling out, it will not come true to its parent, true to this mango. We have a really nice deep orange color. Wow, that looks good. I'm going to scoop it out. It's soft. It is supposed to be pretty fiberless. It's very fiberless. This does have a classic flavor to me. Very classic flavor mango. Really juicy. Fruity. Very juicy, fruity, with some of that classic mango taste. Very delicious. I'm not getting a lot of spicy. It says it's supposed to have a spice component. Yeah, I'm getting a true classic mango with zero fiber. Let me try up here. This is where it connects to the tree. And sometimes this is a different flavor up here. Has more flavor in it up at the top. It's tropical fruit punchy up here. A little bit chalky here, but not much. The rest of the mango was fine. I didn't feel any of that chalkiness. Overall, very delicious mango, very refreshing. And I'm going to compare it, let's see, to a Bailey's Marvel I taste tested earlier. And when I have them side by side, here's the difference in color. I like the Carrie better than the Bailey's Marvel. And I have that on another video if you want to check out what Bailey's Marvel tastes like. But a Carrie is a really delicious, fruity, tropically mango. Oh, I'm getting a little fiber here as I reach the skin. But I'm really digging on that skin. This is the best way I like to eat mangoes, with a spoon. Okay, so there's the Carrie. A nice tropically refreshing, fruity, classic flavor for me. To me, I taste the classic flavor. Tropically punchy, fruity, classic flavor. So that was the Carrie. And now here comes the Honey Kiss. Now I've tried the honey mango before, and I wasn't a fan of a honey mango. So I'm going to try the Honey Kiss. I can hear a lot of fiber in here. Here is the honey mango. Let's hear it. Yeah, I'm getting a little bit of fiber on that one. Right there. It's more of a light yellowy orange compared. I'll show you to the, where's my Carrie? Here's my Carrie in color. So a lighter orange. When I smell it, it almost smells citrusy to me. So I'm gonna go ahead and try it. It has a slight, it almost tastes like diluted orange juice. It's not sweet at all for me. It says it's supposed to be sweet. Now, this could be because it is a late season mango, I'm guessing. It looks ripe right here. It's turned yellow. It is a late season mango, and this could be the first off the tree right now because it's in, we're at mid-July right now, mid to end of July. And it could be these are the first of the Honeykiss coming in. If I can get them from the market again, I'll do another taste test, but this would be Honeykiss early in the season. I'm almost tasting a washed out flavor. A little bit citrusy, lemony, but not sour like a lemon. It has a nice sweetness to it. I like it because it is a mildly sweet. Now, it says in my description that it's supposed to be sweet, but I'm getting a mildly sweet. On the ends, I'm getting a lot of citrus flavor. Let me see on this end. This was very orangey, an orangey flavor. This is very different from a Carrie. I'm getting a lot of citrus notes to this. And it has a firm texture. I'm getting lemony, not classic flavor. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video and learned a little bit about Honeykiss and Carrie mangoes.